Hello, everyone. In this 2-minute revision lesson today, let's apply the 8 psychological issues and debates that are a part of our A2 syllabus to the key study by Shoshani and Steinmetz. Application to everyday life. This study has clear application to everyday life, especially in education and mental health promotion. It shows how teaching students positive thinking, gratitude, and emotional skills can improve their self-esteem, optimism, and reduce symptoms of depression and anxiety. Individual versus situational. It supports both individual and situational explanations. The individual explanation lies in how each student's mindset and coping style affects their mental health. The situational explanation comes from the school environment, which plays a key role in shaping behavior and well-being. Nature versus nurture. The study mainly supports nurture, as it focuses on how mental health can be improved through intervention and learning, rather than attributing it to genetics or biology. It shows that positive mental habits can be taught and developed. Use of children. It's highly relevant to the use of children in research, since the participants were students aged 11 to 14. The study followed ethical guidelines, gaining consent, and ensuring that the intervention promoted well-being rather than causing harm, highlighting how children can benefit from well-designed psychological research. Cultural differences. The study took place in Israel, and while the outcomes were positive, cultural context, such as values about emotions, education, and mental health, could influence how effective such a program is in other countries. Programs would need to be culturally adapted. Reductionism versus holism. The study is holistic, as it focuses on the whole child, emotionally, socially, and cognitively, not just on reducing symptoms, but building strengths. This makes it especially valuable in educational psychology. Determinism versus free will. The intervention supports free will, as students are encouraged to actively participate and change how they think and feel. However, how students respond may also depend on external factors, such as peer support or school culture, adding a situational deterministic element. Idiographic versus nomothetic. Finally, it takes a nomothetic approach, measuring outcomes across a large group of students to find general trends. Still, the content of the intervention could be tailored idiographically to meet the needs of specific individuals or school groups. I hope this was helpful. Thank you.